Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this RCA television. You can see the model number here, the make and model, business card if you guys have any questions. Alright, so let's move on to one thing I did notice with this, because I've been doing these videos with my phone. It has a very good microphone, and I apologize for being so loud on the video. It's the phone's fault. Anyway, here's the part number for the panel. Here's what the pedestal looks like. Gives you guys an idea. Alright. Oh, I think there's some kind of part number here. Again, my camera is not the best. Come on. Come on. I'm very disappointed with these. Bought the best phone in the market, but yet performance is very poor. Anyway, here's the whole set. We got main, power supply, T-con, and inverter. Let's start with the main. Here's all the inputs. Alright. Here's what the main looks like. Alright, part number off of the tuner, which I often do, if the camera cooperates. Okay, that looks good. And the part number off the board is, it's hidden under here, so I have to pull this thing off. You guys bear with me one second. Okay. I had to pull this connector off to get the part number, which is right. I think that's the part number. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Let's see if there's any additional numbers. I don't see anything else. Okay, let's just go with that right now. Power supply is right here, and a part number, I'm not sure what this sticker is, but here we go, just in case it helps. Part number is, here we go, there's something here. This camera is very aggravating. Alright, that looks good. Alright, is there any additional numbers here? Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright, here's a T-con. Okay, that looks good. Everything looks clear, and you got the part number right there. And lastly, the inverter. Here's the inverter. It's got 4 transformers on it. And here's some part numbers. And that pretty much concludes my video. Thanks for watching, YouTube.